Hello guys, today we will study about national income. The national income is defined as the total price of all the services and goods produced within a country asset income coming from abroad in a specific time period, usually 1 year. Types of national income: gross national product GNP, net national product, gross domestic product GDP, net domestic product NDP. GNP, gross national product, is an estimate of total value of all the final products and services turned out in a given period by the means of production owned by a country's residents. GNP measures the total monetary value of the output produced by a country's residents. Therefore, any output produced by foreign residents within the country's borders must be excluded in calculations of GNP, while any output produced by the country's residents outside of its borders must be counted. GNP does not include intermediary goods and services to avoid double counting, since they are already incorporated in the value of final goods and services. Formula for calculating GNP: Y is equal to C plus I plus G plus X plus Z. Y is national income, C stands for consumption expenditure, I means investment, G government expenditure, X is net exports, value of imports minus value of export, and Z is net income inflow from abroad minus net income outflow to foreign countries. Now we will study about gross domestic product GDP. GDP is the total monetary or market value of all the finished goods and services produced within a country's borders in a specific time period. As a broad measure of overall domestic production, it functions as a comprehensive scorecard of a given country's economic health. Formula for calculating GDP: C plus I plus G plus X minus M. C means consumption, I means investment, G means government spending, X minus M. X means export, M means import. GDP in India is expected to reach 2610 USD billion by the end of 2020. According to Trading Economics Global Macro Models and Analytics expectations, in the long term, the India GDP is projected to trend around 2950 USD billion in 2021 and 3200 USD billion in 2022. Net national product (NNP) is a term that is often used to represent the difference between gross national product and depreciation. In numerical terms, the NNP is the total market value of the goods and services produced by a nation during a specified period, generally a year, with depreciation subtracted from it. How to calculate NNP? NNP is equal to gross national product minus depreciation. NDP, net domestic product, is an annual measure of the economic output of a nation that is adjusted to account for depreciation and is calculated by subtracting depreciation from the gross domestic product. NDP is equal to GDP minus depreciation. Measurement of national income: product method, income method, and expenditure method. So there are three methods for measuring national income. Product method. In this method, national income is measured as the flow of goods and services. We calculate money value of all final goods and services produced in an economic during a year. Final goods here refer to those goods which are directly consumed and not used in further production process. Income method. The income method of calculating national income takes into account the income generated from the basic factors of production. These include the land, labor, capital, and organization. And in addition to income accrued from these factors of production, another important component of income is mixed income. Expenditure method. Under expenditure method, national income is calculated first by adding up all the items of final consumption expenditure and the final investment expenditure within the domestic economy. The resulting total is called GDP. At MR, by subtracting depreciation and net indirect taxes from GDP at at the MP market price and adding to its net factor income from abroad, we get NNP at factor cost or national income. Which ministry is responsible for calculating GDP in India? It's Ministry of Central Statistical and Program Implementation. What base year is used to calculate per capita income in India? 2011 to 12. Which is not added in the calculation of national income of India? B and C, the sold value of the old fridge and services rendered by the housewife. Which of the following is not a component of domestic income? Net factor income from abroad. A growing country is one whose GNP is rising at constant prices. If factor cost is greater than market price, it means that indirect taxes is greater than subsidies. An Indian farmer produces wheat without incurring cost of inputs or sells for rupees 1000 to a miller who grind wheat into flour and sells for rupees 1200 to baker. The baker sells bread to consumers for rupees 1600. So total value added is rupees 1600. Which of the following is not true about final goods? Final goods are subject to further transformation in the process of production. Following is an example of final good. Unsold stock of goods lying with the sellers. Real GDP is considered as an index of welfare of the people. Which of the following is not included in national income? It's transfer income. Which of the following is not a part of national income? Depreciation is not a part of national income. Thank you very much for watching this video.